This is easily one of the coolest knives we've ever made. While we were developing the collection with Wrangler, we had this crazy idea of how to use different fabrics within our culinary knife collections, and denim was one we always wanted to mess around with. We didn't think we had the authority to just start buying denim and incorporating it into chef's knives. Those are two crazy concepts. Just like every product we develop, we know we have to go to the best source of that material. So when we talk about making soft goods, aprons, chore coats with denim, we knew starting with Wrangler would give us that authority and expertise to make the best denim product in the market.
I think about denim as needing to work, right? It has to have durability, performance features, and sustainability. I think about made in. It's about quality, the best attributes to the materials used for the user.
So we designed a line of both apparel and kitchen tools that incorporate Wrangler denim. We did that by having Wrangler micarta handles. So each handle is made from over 40 layers of authentic Wrangler denim. We wrap it and layer it with resin and compress it into a micarta form. And what you get is an antimicrobial, easy to clean, odor resisting handle that's fully functional for high performing kitchens. Collection is anchored by a 3-piece Wrangler knife collection. But we're also offering some really cool new soft goods, a chef shirt, a chore coat, and an apron, all made from Wrangler denim.
We chose the denim for this collection by really going back to what we do best. We wanted durability. We wanted to be iconic. We wanted to show up loud and proud of these two brands coming together.
We knew when we were designing an apron with a partner like Wrangler, it needed to be about performance and functionality first. The type of apron that not just looked good, but more importantly, could stand up to the abuses of a commercial kitchen, but also have the functionality and versatility that a chef would need in wearing an apron, right? It needed to be fully functional for the way you would use it.
So we start simply with ideas. What are the details that we have to put in the garment to enable this guy or girl to be able to do what she needs to do best in a comfortable way?
One of the biggest pieces of feedback we heard was that the trim pieces, like this neck strap and back strap here, make it annoying to put in a washing machine. So we made them easy to take off, right? You can pull them right off. You can throw just the front of the apron in and get it cleaned for whatever mess you make.
On the inside of the apron, we also have the interior zipper pocket.
This is great for holding cell phones or lighters or anything you want to keep in here.
Pocketing for tools.
Deep side pockets also for holding tools.
Our Wrangler made in patch, beautiful leather quality.
We obviously took a lot of inspiration from the pit masters and customers that we work with. We're on site shooting with chefs day in and day out. We're meeting with chefs. We're in commercial kitchens. We know our home cooks are putting on aprons. So it's something that we literally wanted to put our stamp on somehow.
We all know made in is meant to last. Wrangler jeans are meant to last. These connectivities really fuel us to go after a collaboration that makes so much sense.
8 years in, it's a huge compliment to partner with a brand like Wrangler. It's something that a lot of us in the office have grown up wearing, and it's something that a lot of our chef customers love as well. So it's very fun to bring product to life together with the team of Wrangler. They think the same way we do. They're raw material first. They're material that's made to last and material that's built for the job. And we're really excited to show our customers what this collab's all about.